Rear light removal on the VW Touareg 7P. I'm going to start with the outer lights. So on the driver's side, just pop this cover off here. And you've got an 11mm on the passenger side. There's no cover, just immediately accessible. So because the light is LED, so because the rest of the light is LED, there's only one bulb, which is the indicator bulb. The only bulb that we've got is a PY21W. And the rest is LED on this model. When refitting, make sure that this part here lines up with this part here. Slides on snug. Reconnect the light. And then just tighten the 11mm from the back again. So for the tailgate light, which encompasses the reverse light, the rest being LED again, remove this panel. So we can change the reverse light bulb without removing the full assembly. It's just twist anti-clockwise to take the bulb holder out, and then we've got a 16-watt wedge bulb, so W16W bulb. So same as the other part of the light, got this electrical connector to remove. Got two 8mm nuts. The fog light bulb is located in this lower down light, and you'll need to go underneath, reach up to this connector and twist it anti-clockwise. And it looks like you've just got a P21W bulb